Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others.
I got a lot of cold in habits. Right, I was bumping at the store and they ain't have it. Give it up, shit a pan on the stick, it's automatic. Bitches in my bitch up like a samurai. Nigga, you done told about 100 lies. Nigga, Cameron, you ain't never did a homicide. By that ass, you see me flashing like a paparazzi. And we deep within the fucking nine. AK witness.
How you doing, man?
What's going on, sir?
Could you put this up for info and all?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. This is a big box.
Yeah.
I like it, dude. Hey, your name? What's in here, man? Go ahead.
Spoons. All right. Got the 218 ZV6 18s, box tuned to 30, custom built. I got the Skyway 3K on the subs, JP 234, 23x4 on the mids, and the S2 Symphony on the highs with 160 amp hour minimum.
Did you do all this?
No. My god brother did it, and you actually know him. He's got the Tahoe with the rearview mirror breaker.
Okay. All right. Yes, sir. All right.
So,
Well, this is different.
yeah.
What are these?
TV.
Just TVs? Sweet, man. I've never seen that. I've been in 1,000 vehicles, never seen that. That's pretty cool. I like it. Do you know your specs on the enclosure, tuning, or anything?
I know it's 230. I'm not really sure about the cubes and that. So
Yes, sir.
sure.
Okay. I like it, man. Looks good. Did you do any SPL burps yet?
Not yet. So I was paying a little at the trunk.
Really? Oh, okay. So you won't be able to open the back up?
No.
That's all right. I'll look after. Okay. All right. Nice doors. Nice. Thank you for showing me the box port. So that's how it all the way up against the back hatch. About 6 inches from the back.
Yeah.
Nice. I'm ready when you are, man.
Can't stop me, but lose my soul.
Cause girls is players too. Cause girls is players too.
much and nice to meet you.